So guys, welcome back to Elegant Arrangements with Amanda. And today guys, I am riding to the Dollar Tree, for one of the locations in my area. And I'm going to do a shop with me video today. And I want you guys to join me in doing that. Alright guys, so I just pulled up in the Dollar Tree parking lot. And it's early. Nobody is really here. Nobody is really here guys. And I can really just shop, you know, like I want to or whatever, and just look around and see what type of beautiful Valentine Day items that they have. And I think they got a couple of spring items in here as well, but I'm not ready for spring. I don't know about you guys. Comment below and let me know. I'm not ready for spring. I'm still in the winter mood. So anyway, so I'm ready to go in here and get to shopping. So let's go. So this video will be a voiceover video. And I do apologize for this clip. I didn't want to get rid of the footage because I had some pretty good stuff on here. Now, this is the first aisle that I went down. And this aisle has a lot of goodies for kids and adults. And they have these cute little scarves and totes and headbands. Now, Dollar Tree has these cute little Valentine plates and cups. They even have the tablecloth, guys, that you can use for parties, which is pretty cool. And they also have these beautiful, I absolutely love the boxes that they have. These are so cute, along with the scarves and the cute ribbons. I absolutely love these ribbons. They are so adorable. Now, you guys know, if you've seen any of my videos, especially my basket videos, I love the little cute decor plats. They are so cute. And the Dollar Tree have so many to choose from. So guys, continue to check this video out. Look at the cute little items that I came across at the Dollar Tree. And I'll check back with you guys at the end of the video. So guys, what I did here, I took footage of the first aisle again. I wanted you guys to get a closer look at the cute little boxes and, you know, the scarves and the totes, basically. So it's just pretty much a duplicate of what I already done. Now guys, this was the cutest little magical unicorn gift bag to me, and I had to get it for my 4-year-old daughter. And if you guys need a gift bag, Dollar Tree is the place to go. Alright, here's some vases and some baskets, some cute little baskets that I saw. And guys, this pretty much wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video very much so. If you did, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And until the next time, guys, take care of yourselves. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.